God bless you, everyone. The journey with the B14 continues. Today's plan is to get the right side of the engine ready, which means install the oil filter, install the power steering reservoir and lines, install the strobe bar as well, and if we got time, let's start working with our hybrid turbo. So let's go. It's a new day, and successfully I was able to complete everything on the right side of the engine. I was able to install the oil catch can as well, which I didn't record because it was so dark. So here is how everything is coming out. It's looking great if you ask me. So we got the strobe bar back. We have the reservoir nice and clean. All the lines are ready to go. I got the fuses and this relay box over here back again. Everything is tight and mounted. Also, here is the new manifold painted, which is there, and I also have the oil catch can, which is there, but it's not mounted yet. Also, I replaced the hoses, got brand new hoses, and this one should perform a lot better. So since this is out of the way, let's start working with our turbo.
a new day, and here we're working again with the B14. As now I was able to remove the manifold, so I have the manifold out with the hot side of the turbo, and I got all my mess over here. So I was actually making sure the lines will fit, which I have over here, which is the oil fit, and I have also the two coolant lines, and this one is the O-ring from hell, which I basically pinched my hand again, and this one is like the third time. So right now I still have to remove this one because I put it back to be able to remove this one. This one was the adapter for the coolant line on the T28. So by removing this, I should be able to use the one that was on the T25. So now I have it the right way. So have over here the return line, have the oil feed over here, and then I have one of the coolant ports, and then the outlet in the other side, which is the same thing as the T25. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the camera down, and I'm going to remove this C clamp again, which is same thing as that one. You guys saw me taking one down already, so I'm not going to do it on camera again. Plus I'm just trying to avoid to hurt myself again. And then after that, what we're going to do, we're going to try to remove the hot side from the T25 and put it over here, because this hot side is a little bigger, so it doesn't fit on my T25 housing. So let's go. Here we have the turbos, and successfully they are apart. Right now I'm gonna make sure that the shafts are the same. Over here I have the T28, and here the T25, and here we have the shaft of the T28 and the shaft of the T25. What I'm gonna do now, when I compare them, make sure that everything is the same, because I'm gonna put the T25 shaft into the T28. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up all this oil, make sure everything is nice and clean, and then we're gonna put it on and see how everything works. Here we have the hybrid turbo. As you guys can see, I just finished swapping out the wheels, and on this side over here I have a T28 wheel, and over here I have the T25 shaft with a hot side compressor wheel of the T25. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to torque this, and then after that, just gonna start assembling the whole turbo. I went to the auto part and got brake cleaner, and I went ahead and also actually clean up all the compressor wheel. Does look a lot better because it had oil and grease and like small things on it. So I got that one clean. I got this one also clean, and honestly I torque it down, and right now it's actually, it works fantastic. Right now this one is a little loose, but this one gonna get stuck when it gets on the hot side. But as now, like, everything's spin freely. Spin freely, and just gonna go ahead and mount it quick before it gets dark, and I'll show you. Last night I finished a turbo, and let me show you. Here is my hybrid turbo T28/225. The whole thing's assembled, and as you guys can see, it looks super amazing. Everything spins freely the way it should. You guys can see how everything moves right there. In the bottom we have the painted T25 cold side. Also, I went ahead and I replaced 3 of the studs, and I have actually a brand new bolts for all of them. So it's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. I finally finished my hybrid turbo. Hope you guys excited, because I really am. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you all.